Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the NSIS error you're getting when trying to install Ubisoft Connect, the one that says, installer integrity check has failed. NSIS_error. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Ubisoft's official website and download the latest version of Ubisoft Connect. Once downloaded, don't launch it just yet. Open your Start menu, type CMD. Now right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, press Yes. Now locate the Ubisoft Connect setup file you downloaded. Right-click it and select Copy. Go back to the command prompt, right-click inside the window. Go to Edit and choose Paste. Once the installer path is pasted, press the spacebar once and type /ncrc. Now hit Enter. The installer will now launch, skipping the integrity check that caused the error. Accept the terms, choose your installation folder, and click Install. And that's it. Your Ubisoft Connect should now install without any NSIS errors. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.